Hello, my friend, and welcome to FluentX. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let yourself settle into this calm space. Today, we're going to talk about something that quietly affects millions of English learners. Something that can make your voice feel small, unsure, or even invisible. This is not about grammar, not vocabulary, not even accent. It's about the sounds you make and the tiny sound mistakes that slowly damage your confidence without you even noticing. If speaking English makes you feel nervous, embarrassed, or afraid to express yourself, then today's lesson is going to feel like a moment of relief. Let's begin this journey softly and let your voice feel safe again. Why sound matters more than you think. Sound is the first thing people hear before your grammar, before your words, even before your meaning. Sound carries your emotion, your confidence, your warmth, your personality. When sounds feel unnatural, your English feels unstable. But when your sounds are soft, clear, and controlled, your confidence rises naturally. Sound is not decoration. It is the foundation of your voice. Sound mistake number 1. Over-tight mouth movement. Many learners press their lips too hard, tighten their jaw, and force the sound. This creates a stiff, unnatural voice. English sound is gentle. Lips stay loose, jaw relaxed, breath easy. When you soften your mouth, your voice instantly becomes smoother and more confident, like the language finally begins to flow instead of struggle. Sound mistake number 2. Pushing the voice instead of letting it fall. Some learners push their sound, forcing every word with pressure. This makes the voice tremble and creates stress. Native speakers do the opposite. They let the sound fall naturally. They allow gravity to guide their words. Your voice becomes confident not by force, but by release. Sound mistake number 3. Hard consonants with no soft edges. In English, consonants are not blocks. They are feathers. Many learners hit sounds like T, K, P too sharply, creating a tough, uncomfortable tone. But native English softens these edges. A softer consonant creates a calmer sound, and a calmer sound creates a calmer speaker. When your consonants relax, your confidence grows. Sound mistake number 4. Ending words too suddenly. Learners often cut the sound at the end of sentences. A sudden stop feels unnatural, almost like anxiety. But natural English breathes out at the end. It softens, fades, and settles. This gentle ending not only sounds natural, It also makes your voice feel peaceful and controlled. Sound mistake number 5. Speaking without breath support. When your breath disappears, your confidence disappears with it. Shallow breathing creates shaky sound, weak words, and nervous energy. Deep, slow, steady breath creates strong, warm, stable sound. Your breath is not just air. It is your emotional anchor. When your breath is calm, your English becomes calm. How these sound mistakes damage your confidence. Every time your sound feels wrong, your brain sends you a small message. You don't sound good. You don't belong. Don't speak too much. These messages slowly break your confidence. But when your sound feels smooth and natural, your brain sends a different message. You're doing great. Keep talking. You belong in this language. Sound shapes confidence. Confidence shapes sound. They grow together. The secret of soft sound flow. There is a hidden rule in English. The softer you sound, the stronger you feel. Natural English is not loud, not sharp, not stressed. It flows like warm water, moving easily around emotions. Soft sound creates a peaceful mind, and a peaceful mind speaks better English. Connecting sound with emotion. Your sound must match your feeling. When you are kind, your voice softens. When you are curious, your voice lifts. When you feel sure, your voice settles. Most learners ignore emotion, and their sound becomes empty. But when emotion enters your voice, English becomes alive. Letting your voice relax into the sentence. You don't need to perform English. You just need to relax into the sentence. Let each word arrive naturally. Let your voice glide instead of jump. When you let your voice relax, your English becomes believable, trustworthy, and deeply human. Learning to trust your sound. Your sound improves when you trust it. Trust means letting your voice come out without fear. Trust means understanding that mistakes are softness, not failure. Trust means knowing that people want to hear you. They are not judging you. When you trust your sound, confidence becomes your natural state. The new sound of your English. You now understand the 5 sound mistakes that keep your voice small. And you also understand how to free your voice. Your English does not need to be perfect. It needs to be warm, natural, soft, and real. When your sound carries calmness and clarity, your confidence rises on its own. Your voice has value. And today, you brought it one step closer to freedom. Thank you for being here, my friend. Your sound matters. Your confidence matters. And your English journey is safe with FluentX. Learn English fast and simple. I'll see you in the next lesson.